These are the top 5 new features I love about my Model 3 that didn't even exist when I bought and received my Model 3 basically a year ago in June of 2019. As we all know, Tesla vehicles evolve and improve over time through software updates your car receives. The Model 3 that I purchased is not the same Model 3 I have now. I mean, it's the same car, but it's better. The new DASHCAM viewer is awesome. So this allows you to watch video footage directly inside the Tesla. Now, what you're accessing is video footage, saved video footage from Sentry Mode or your DASHCAM. So to access that, you need to be parked. You click up here and you launch the viewer. So the DASHCAM viewer does populate 4 different views. It gives you a left, a right, a rear, and a front. And to access a different view, you just click on that view there. Beyond really liking the DASHCAM viewer, it can actually play a super important role. So footage that you have recorded on your DASHCAM or through Sentry Mode can be used as evidence. For example, if you catch footage of someone damaging your vehicle, or maybe you've caught footage of an accident, all of that can be used and forwarded to the authorities. So check out the crazy accident that we caught on our DASHCAM. That being said, the footage quality or the video quality isn't the greatest, but it's definitely enough to serve its purpose. Thanks to the DASHCAM viewer in the Tesla, it has made the whole process of accessing video footage a lot more immediate and quicker. Before, what you had to do is you had to remove the USB key and take that into your home or to the closest computer. Now I have Macs, so they don't have that USB, so I would need a dongle to be able to attach to then view the footage. So before it was a little bit more labor intensive to view the DASHCAM footage, and now with the viewer inside the Tesla, it's so easy. You can, record, and as soon as you're parked, you can access that footage. There was an update that provided optimization that increased the rated range. So for me, in the Tesla all-wheel drive long-range vehicle, when we purchased this, it had 315 miles of range. After this update, this variant of the Tesla Model 3 increased its rated range from 315 miles up to 322 miles. Now there is such thing as battery degradation, and that occurs over time. So we've had this car for a year, and it still has a rated range of 315 miles. So in the car, you can choose if you want to display your remaining range in terms of distance, which it does in miles, or also in terms of energy, which is a percentage. And you can opt for either kilometers or miles when it comes to the distance as well. To be able to get a rated range increase through a software update is amazing, but it's also significant because that means that in the future, other optimizations would be able to provide maybe similar rated range increases. The great thing about this update is, despite having driven it for a year and having some battery degradation, the rated range is still at 315 miles. Another great update that's happened since purchasing the car has been the entertainment. Now, to access the entertainment in the Tesla, you go here to entertainment, and here you can see the Tesla Theater. Now, Tesla has updated this, like I said, and now available within the car is, as you can see, Netflix, Hulu, YouTube, Twitch, and some Tesla tutorials. Now, frankly, this has been fantastic to be able to access shows on Netflix or even YouTube as well. Has been just great. Having access to entertainment like Netflix and YouTube has been a game changer, especially when it comes to charging the Tesla. Now charging can take anywhere from 25, 30, 35 minutes, and to be able to spend that time watching your favorite show on Netflix or watching a few YouTube videos makes the time pass that much more easily. The one sort of caveat that I've experienced is some of the Tesla superchargers near me are in parking garages, and unfortunately they don't get any sort of signal. Without a signal, you can't access or watch any of those things on the car. The most recent update has been the stop sign and traffic light control, which is in its beta form. And I'm just going to read for you here exactly how Tesla describes that. So traffic light and stop sign control identifies stop signs, traffic lights, or road markings at intersections, and with your active supervision, automatically slows your car to a stop. As you approach an intersection, even if a traffic light is green, your car will display a red line to indicate where it will stop, along with an estimated distance for a new level of safety and autonomy. So fantastic, so cool that they are bringing this whole self-driving and autopilot to a whole new level with this traffic light and stop sign control. So to access that, once you've received this update, what you need to do is go to your autopilot menu, and then right here you can see traffic light stop sign control beta, and then you can opt for that. Here it will give you a little disclaimer that you need to agree to. Click on yes, and there you go. Now it's stopped at the red light. Wow, that's fascinating. That's crazy. Traffic light and stop sign control, even though it's in its beta form, is a huge leap forward in self-driving. Before the traffic light and stop sign control update, I really limited my autopilot and self-driving use in the Model 3 to highway driving. Now that Tesla has updated their vehicles and now offers this traffic light and stop sign control, it really changes the whole mindset around where it is you can use these features, and now I'm really interested in doing more autopilot and self-driving in basically off-highway and in and around, streets that do have traffic lights and stop signs. The Come to Me feature was another mind-blowing update from Tesla. This allows you to retrieve your car from the app, so the car can independently drive itself to you. If you can see the car and you're within 200 feet and you're in a private parking lot or driveway, you can enable this feature. I've used this feature multiple times and I absolutely love it. Which of the 5 new features do you like best? Leave your comment down below. If you're interested in similar videos like this, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for checking out this video. Until the next one.